Hi, it's Lynn here from Lynn Greaves Designs. Today I'm going to be scrapping a page with my Here We Go templates, and I'm also going to be using my Winden My Sales kit, which is one of my favourite sort of summery, beachy kits that I like to use, and I'm going to be scrapping some photos of my daughter. So first of all, I've opened and made a duplicate of one of the templates in the pack. There's two. And then I'm going to drag on the first picture of my daughter, resize it by dragging on the handles to fit properly. There you go. And clip it down and close that. And then I've got another photo. Now, I actually got these are actually Instagram photos, which is a bit cheeky, but I like to do that sometimes because it's just a really fun way of using the photos off my phone and off Instagram. So I've clipped that to the sort of painted clipping mask, which is under the photo. Then I'm going to grab one of the papers from the Winden My Sales kit, and I'm going to clip that to the sort of square background area. Now, I got to apologise. I actually didn't make the screen big enough when I did the screen recording, so you can't see exactly what I'm doing. But hopefully it'll still be interesting to see. So I'm just going to clip another paper from the kit to the second sort of painted clip-in mask. Now, this paper tag here, which comes with the template, which sometimes you can just use as is or recolour. I actually want to clip another paper to it. It's a little bit big. I want the spots to be a bit smaller, so I'm just going to resize that. There you go, and clip it down. And now I'm going to recolour this doodled heart. I'm going to put it on normal, and I'm going to actually grab the colour with the colour picker from the frame, just so it sort of coordinates with that. And I'm going to drag on some elements from the Winden My Sales kit. Pop on one of my shadow styles, which I've saved in the past. Resize this because it's a little bit big. Pop it up there. Pop a shadow. And I love using the little postage stamps which come in the kit. And I'm just sort of move it around, try and decide exactly where it works best. Got some spaces to fill. I think actually just that spot there works for me. And now I'm going to decide what to do with this photo, which I haven't completely clipped down yet. I think actually I like it with the gulls up there at the top. So I shall do that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge it down so it's merged and taken on the shape of that flipping mask. And then I'm just going to see, what blend modes might work. Because of the paper is a pattern paper with white background, you're limited really into what you can use. I'm just going to put it on multiply, but I'm going to up the brightness and contrast just so that it pops a little bit more. There you go. Normally I might use, if it was a solid colour background, I might put it on overlay blend mode, or sometimes I actually put it on two blend modes. I duplicate it and put it on overlay and then again on normal and just reduce the opacity, just playing around, seeing what effects. Now, I think this orange flower is just a bit too bold. I quite like the little pop of orange, but it's just a bit too much. I'm going to pop this second flower on top of that. Move this around a bit, see if I like it down a little bit like that. And then I'm going to add a title from the kit. There, which I think I might actually put it over the second photo and just bring it forward, bring to front, and no, not that drop shadow, And now I'm going to get my text, and I actually want to put it somewhere different, so I'm just going to move it over here. I'm going to use a colour picker to get that orange from that flower and change the text colour just by highlighting the text and then going to the colour picker, going to the colour. And then I'm going to change the font because I want a more of a sort of a handwritten-y type scripty font, and just write over the text. Then I'm going to get a date stamp from my Parisian date stamps and pop that on as well. It was January, which was actually the peak of our summer, but you wouldn't have believed it. It was really cold. I'll try and grab that. There you go. I'm just going to pop that there. So I think I'll put it under the postage stamp, and I shall put a colour overlay on that. And I think I will just match that in with the frame. And then I'm just going to change the background. Just going to grab the colour, that tan crafty colour, but just mute it a little bit. And there you go. And here's another page I made with the other template, which is in the pack, which was also a lot of fun to play with. And you can see with this one, I've actually blended the second photo into the background even more. And quite a different look, but still lots of fun to play with. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing that. Next time I will make the screen bigger so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Thanks. Bye.